Alright, you guys, so I got this is the Rachel and Ryan show, and I got the inflatable water park off of TikTok shop, and we're gonna do an unboxing because it's hot outside and we just want to play in the water. So unbox it with us. Alright, so here is the water slide. It's wrapped perfectly, so we'll just untie that and roll it on out. Then we have our stakes, electric blower. I thought it was really neat that they have a storage bag. And then this is our pump in which the water will flow. So let's get to it. Get plugged into that one. Don't do that. Plug it into this long one because it has stretchy material where it'll sit right over the blower. So now we're gonna add the water. Yay! All right, so now I'm just figuring out how to do this. It did come with this basketball, which I thought was really cool. So once I figure out the water, I'll blow this up and then we'll be ready to go. So this is one. Hello, guys. Hello. So one is gonna go right up here. Okay, so you're gonna attach the number 1 hose to the top of the slide so the water can go down the water slide, and then the number 2 hose will attach to the water blower, which is at the end of the little pool. Ryan was recording for me, so that's why you can't really see the view so well, but he's only 3 and he did the best he could. So again, that number 2 is going to go on the water hose.
It fell down. No, it fell down with accident. No, it fell out on the pillow.
All right, so I've attached it to the water hose, and now I'm just hooking the hose to each part of the water slide. Once you've got that all set, you're ready to go. I'm going to go and turn on the water hose. And this is the inflatable water slide. It's a 5-in-1 function. You've got the little pool area, you've got the slide, there's a little rock on the wall. On the other side, which I'll show in another clip, and there's a basketball hoop. This is for kids ages 0 to 8, and 2 kids can go on this at once. And like I mentioned earlier, they come to the storage bag, so when you are ready to put it up, you can just let the water dry out and then pour it out. It's a super easy process, and I think it's great because most of these don't come with the storage bag. You just have to find a place to put it, but this one does, and it comes with the blower. So this is the rock cleaning that I mentioned, and we're gonna have glass on this. We were outside for hours. It's definitely to keep them busy this summer. And
1, 2, 3, go!
Link it in the description in case you guys want to go on this order.
1, 2, 3, go!
This was
Ryan, go!
Next, they can use something
Slide!
you can have forever versus just throwing it in your water. So, highly recommend.
Ryan, go!
And be able to spend all summer outside on the So my backyard is not leveled, so a lot of the water moved to one side, so I did have to move it around so that it could be leveled, but otherwise just make sure you put it on a level area, and again, your kids will have a blast. It's 5-in-1, lots of things to play with. $209, that beats a rental price for one of these. Highly recommend. Oh yeah, yeah. Dunk it, dunk it. Yay.